Looking for a stylish and reliable indoor digital signage solution? Check out our 55-inch single-side full-standing LCD display, equipped with a 700 nit high-brightness LCD panel that delivers vibrant colors and crisp images, ensuring your content standing out even in bright environments such as shopping malls, retail stores, and showrooms. The shell is made of aluminum with a lightweight and durable structure, excellent corrosion resistance, and efficient heat dissipation, making it suitable for long-term commercial use. The stylish design of red LED light bars on both sides help attract more people to pay attention to your advertising content. The built-in gas spring design allows the equipment access door to be easily opened with one hand, allowing the staff to quickly carry out internal circuit inspection and equipment maintenance. In order to enhance reliability, it's equipped with an efficient air cooling system to ensure stable performance during continuous operation. Ideal for retail stores, shopping malls, hotel lobbies, corporate showrooms, and other indoor advertising applications. If you are looking for an indoor digital signage display that combines excellent visibility, premium design, and reliable performance, our 55-inch full-standing LCD display is the perfect choice.